So yes, I'm responsible for the European region, regional activities for ImageXpert. The company is located in the US, near Boston, where everything is designed and developed. And yeah, I'm taking care of any commercial technical aspects here in Europe. Yeah, for my approach, it's going to be a lot wider, like, as we say, 30,000 feet kind of helicopter view on things of Inkjet. Since ImageXpert as a company is more into integration inkjet capabilities or dispensing capabilities of different liquids onto substrates, that's our main goal. Inkjet is a part of what we do, a large part. But it's not just one single printhead, it's any printhead in the market, it's any electronics, it's any trying to combine technical components available in the market to a setup that is actually reasonably and important to be used for an application and its requirements. So it's over 30 years that the company's been supporting the inkjet developments. So for the very early stage printhead nozzles that have been made to the newest high-tech recirculation versions. And a major thing that we do is the support also to companies and which are startups, which are universities, institutes, or even large companies, market leaders that are entering into inkjet, and we support them throughout the process in trying to select the right printhead with the right setup for the application that they want to address. And that's kind of the topic that I want to jump into. Eventually, this is the roadmap that many of our customers will have. They will look at the hardware. Well, what am I going to do? There's lots of information coming in from many vendors, like which is really the right one to select. So we go through all these steps, and after I've selected the hardware, like printheads, the electronics that drive it, the ink supply that gets the ink to the head on a decent and reliable way. Also the substrate, what kind of substrate is it? Do I have a table where I put a sheet onto it, or am I printing roll to roll? Am I printing extremely slow, 0.1 meters a minute, or am I printing 300 meters a minute? All these parameters play a role in speccing a system. And then once that is set, we're looking at what does this customer want to do and investigate the jetting capabilities, the jetting performance of fluids. You can see for yourself what's written. I'm not going to go through every single word. But major thing is that the customer will want either to start with printing capabilities, see how does a liquid land on the substrate, how is it wetting, how is it working, how is maybe my conductivities, how is my layer, is it homogeneous, is it the final layer that I'm creating, is it functional the way I want it to be? And that's where we also introduce our print quality analysis capabilities, which also for 40 years the company's been developing products for. Eventually going down to the pilot production version of machines where you actually have larger production systems, not like the one that I have here in the back end of the show is an R&D system where you can actually be very flexible. I was going to try a little bit to combine printhead technologies, and for the printhead manufacturers that are here, sorry, and I'm just using some pictures on different occasions. Obviously, there are printheads of many of our manufacturers that go for different applications, but the aim was really to kind of give you a feeling of what key parameters are and how we kind of approach the decision or the thoughts towards selecting the right printhead for an application are. So low viscosity and finely dispersed nanoparticles. These are partially very highly loaded inks. This application of nano-imprint lithographies combinations is requiring high definition, high quality print. And for that, you will need printheads that will be able to jet very small drops. Scrona is definitely one of that in the lower area as well. And it moves up to just a few picoliters. Ultra high consistency is a huge requirement, since of course the smallest deviations or defects would compromise a barrier layer or a feature in a printed layer. That's not